Hey guys, on this Memorial Day weekend, we are going to be putting a couple of Chef's Temp products to the test. What I'm going to do is on the OCGF, I'm going to put a couple of brisket points in there, and I'm going to run it with the S1 and Breezo and monitor with some probes. And then on the old Expert grill you seeing right there, I call it Expert. That's a Walmart brand. It's just a cheap little charcoal pit, but on there I'm going to throw on some jalapeno poppers, and I'm going to run that with another S1 and Breezo fan, and I'm going to show you guys whether they work or not work simultaneously. Will one S1 interfere with the other Breezo fan? Does pausing one stop both? We're going to look at all that stuff and also see how they cook side by side. So yeah, pretty excited about it. I'll fill you in a little more as we go, but yeah, briskets will go on tonight, and then we'll start them poppers tomorrow morning. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I got up at about 6 o'clock, wrapped up these points, and here they are right here. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Wow, that's a lot of steam. Sorry about that. You'll see that this S1 right here is at 253. I've got it set at 250 right now. So it may drop down because I just opened the door. If it does, the Breezo will kick on if it gets down to 247. But you'll see right now, this Breezo right here, it's not running, okay? It shouldn't be yet, okay? This one, however, you can hear it running because this S1 is trying to get to 300. These things are right by each other. Okay, so right now this one's running this Breezo fan. That one's running that Breezo fan. Okay, so if I hit the pause button here, that should pause the fan down here. And it just did. I'll hit the pause button again. Notice that one's running now because the temperature had dropped, and now it's kicked back up. Okay, so that one stopped. So hit the pause button. That one started up. This one did not. Okay, so this one is definitely sending signals there. So let's try this in reverse. Let's hit the pause button here. Okay, fan is paused. Nothing. This one's still pulsing. Okay, so good. Unpause the fan. There we have it. Okay, so right now this pit is set at 250, which is why that thing's not running. This one's set at 300. I put my peppers in here. Okay, got my coal bed right there. And so this one's fighting to get to 300. All I did was I used my old connector. I've got a new one coming here, a new Chef's Temp connector. But I put a new a teed off on the inside, drilled some holes in it so that I'm not blowing ash all over the place. So that's kind of diffusing that for me. And then I put these two right here over the fire so they can drip on it a little bit, create a little bit of flame, a little bit of smoke. But that's the setup there. I was gonna tape all these off so it didn't draw any extra air anywhere, but it looks to me like it's just around the door and around this tray down here at the bottom. Let me get that a little tighter. I'm gonna get some heat tape and tape all that off. Okay, so right now you can hear this thing kicking on. It's fighting to get there. I'm gonna open this up just a smidge more. And this one just a hair more. Let's see if that'll get up there. It got up to 260 something and started going back down. Yeah,
we'll see how it does. This is the first time I've put it on this pit, so it's going to take some trial and error. But yeah, this is great. This S1 that's right next to the other, and they're controlling independently. This is great news for you guys that run like barbecue events. You know, you could have several of these running fans independently and they won't confuse each other. So I'm not just gonna assume it's done. We're gonna let this thing play out all the way just to make sure no issues arise. Okay, I just raised it to 275 on the app. So this one here is now gonna start climbing. It's pushing that Breezo fan right there. This one here is running non-stop because it's trying to get up to 300, and it is sitting right at 250 something right now. I keep opening the damn door. This thing being as small as it is, man, it loses heat in a hurry. It's not insulated, so so one thing I'll say about this unit, don't open the door much if you don't have to. Just messing around here with the S1, open the door up, it got it up to 300, but I opened the door, let it get way down to see what would happen. This here fan kicked on. You know, meanwhile over here, we're at 273, and this fan is cycling, trying to get up to 275. So all is good. Probably wondering why I moved it over there. Well, the wife came home and I was sending a lot of smoke down this little alley right here, and their door's over there. So yeah, the house was a little smoky. So I didn't have it in a very good place. Not to have two of them going, that's just too much. But yeah, this thing is trying to get caught up to 300 now. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Look guys, look at that. They look awesome. And let me tell you, the ChefsTemp S1 and Breezo did a great job. I got it right here. It's smoking like heck now, but I've opened up the baffle, and I'm just gonna burn this charcoal out of here. I'm just gonna let that thing run to just hold it at 300 just to get the coals burned out of there. But again, that thing is running. Here it running, and of course this one is still just chilling, hanging out at 275. So man, it's been pretty awesome having two of them. All right, so the verdict: running two S1s with two Breezos, not a problem. They did great. They did exactly what they're supposed to do. This S1 right here only dealt with this Breezo fan. It did not confuse with that one right over there. And anytime I adjusted this one, it didn't confuse the one over here. So you can run multiples of these at the same time. If you need to, man, go get them. It doesn't matter if you're in a group of 20 people that has them running. They're not going to confuse each other. They're going to do a great job. They're going to do exactly what they're designed to do. As far as that's it for the review on these things. I'm still finishing up my brisket, so I'm still going to put that on here. But yeah, the verdict is in on running multiple ones. It's not a problem. Give it a shot.